In this video, we're going to show you how to properly use your detachable towbar, how to attach and detach your tow ball. Let's get to it. The example we're going to be using here today is Audi Q5 that we are completing the installation on. So I haven't put the bumper on it yet, so we're going to show you first with the exposed towbar system how it operates, and then we do one more after we put the towbar as well, how to operate it. So here I just want to show you the whole mechanism, how it looks and how it works. So to start, you can see that the tow ball or swan neck is already attached to the system, to the locking position. So to start, we need a key, and each kit comes with two keys. So we have one of them here. So what we need to do, we need to remove the cover that covers the lock, which is here. We're going to pass it to my colleague here. So he's going to be doing it while I'm trying to describe. So he's putting it back into the locking, and then he's going to turn the key towards himself. So we're turning it this way towards us. Once it's turned, then the mechanism actually has the instruction on it. So what we need to do, we need to push the whole mechanism like this. This is pushing it. So you can see there's a green color here in this little window. So you're going to push it, and then we're going to twist it. But I can't do it with one hand. It has to be done with two hands. So I'm holding the camera, and he's going to do it for us. So he's going to push it and turn it towards the car, and the whole mechanism comes out. This is how simple it is. We can put it down, and it's out. That's simple as it is. And now to reverse this, when we want to attach it, we just take it in and we push it into the position. And when you push it, the system will automatically lock itself. On this model, this is a Brink detachable towbar. It's got this little window with the colors, so you can see it was red before, which I'm going to try to maybe push again. Can you push this for me? So there you go. It's got red again, you see, and then it's got green. So now it's green. We know it's good. So what you do is either twist the key back into the position, original position, so we can remove it, and then cover the lock. And that's how you do it. That's how easy it is. So we're going to finish this installation, put the bumper on, and we'll do the same again with the bumper. Right, we've got the bumper back on the car. So let's just do the procedure again now that we have it all completed. So to start, first thing we need to do is remove the cover to reveal what the lock is and put the key in. We're doing that. Then we need to twist the key towards us. And then once that's done, then we need to follow the instructions that are here, which means push the whole lever in and then twist it. So we're going to do that exactly now. Pushed and twist towards the car. That allows us to release the tow ball, which we can drop below here. And now you can see it's out. Obviously, we also have electrics here, so these would be out when in use. When we don't need them, we just push them back in, they lock in position, and now you can't see it at all. Right, now to put the tow ball on, again, let's try to prepare. So we take the electrics down, we've got them down, and we can also put the tow ball back in. So obviously we've taken it out, so we put it back in. Everything is in place, because when you take it out, you leave it like that, you put it in the bag that comes with the kit. But when you want to use it, you just take it out exactly as it is, and then what you do is you need to push it into position. It will lock itself automatically. You see it clicks, and then this mechanism twists automatically into position. Because this Brink model has this little window, when it shows green light, it shows green, which is good. What we do then, we untwist the key back to the original position like this, so we can allows us to remove it, put the cover back on, and this is ready to go. Right, so after watching this, you should know now how to properly use your detachable towbar, how to attach it and remove it from the car. For more information, you can get in touch with us. Links will be in the description as always. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.